After a tiring trip, two tourists arrive at the hotel expecting for a relaxing stay. But instead, they experience poor customer service.
Sir, welcome to Villa Hotel. At your service, this way, sir. March.
Good morning po. We have reservation at Cruise under the name of Anna.
Wait na lang po kayo sa lobby kasi hindi pa po tapos.
Paano hindi pa ready? 2 p.m. na. Ang check-in namin is 2.
Anong mamaya pa? Para ngayon na.
Alam mo ba, ilang oras kami naghihintay dito. Gusto niyo naman yung trabaho niyo.
Yeah, tignan mo anong oras na oh. 2:30 na. 30 minutes na kami nag-aantay.
Para ngayon lang po pinagandang.
Hello? Paki-ready ng isang linggan. Pakibilis. Kasi may mga arte pa ng guest.
Tatlo naman, grabe.
Don't worry, papalo ko na yun. Miss, okay na po ba yung room namin?
Ano room niyo, sir?
Room to ang pa rin.
Kanina pa ready, sir.
Kanina po wala ready. Ba't di mo man lang kami inform? Baka naman.
The guests became disappointed because the staff lacked empathy, professionalism, and responsiveness.
Ano ba to?
Ano ba ito? Walang aircon?
Makakalat pa. Tignan mo, ano ba to? Storage room or room? Ayun. Miss, ano ba yung room na yun? Bodega ba yun or room pa ba?
Sobrang init, wala pang aircon.
Ang dumi-dumi, parang basurahan na.
Nag-level na po yun ng housekeeping.
O, paano yun? Paano gagawin namin doon? Mag-stay kami doon?
Papalinis ko na lang po.
Huwag na, ika-cancel na namin. Tara na.
Now let's see how service excellence can improve the guest experience.
We have reservation at Cruise under the name of Anne.
Sure, ma'am. Let me check now po. Wait for a while.
Room 205.
Let me check now po. I'm sorry, ma'am. Hindi po available yung room 205.
Excuse me po, is there any problem here? Good afternoon, I'm the manager at Villa Hotel. Is there anything else I can help?
Oh, I'm so sorry for the inconvenience, ma'am. Are you willing to wait for a while po?
Okay, that's good to know. While waiting, we'll give you a complimentary drink you can enjoy. Here's the lunch. Here's our... Mr. Renz? There you are. Can I give them a complimentary drink while it's there with you?
Yes po.
Okay. Ma'am, sir, I'm so sorry again. I will personally check your room so that I can assure that your room is also safe. Is that okay? Thank you so much.
Hello sir, ma'am. This is your complimentary.
Thank you. Hello, ma'am and sir. Your room was already set na po. You can follow me na po upstairs. Here at the hotel, we ensure that our guest is at most comfortable. Here's your room, ma'am.
Nice.
Good customer service is not only about solving problems. It is about making guests feel valued, respected, and comfortable.